Jersey has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, west central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Morris Park, or near Philadelphia, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Evesham, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Thorneys, West Deptford, Lindenwold, Belmore, Yedden, Woodbury, Berlin, Palmyra, Folcroft, Swarthmore, Paulsboro, Magnolia, and Westville. This includes the following highways: Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 42 and 44. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 40. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 27. New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 4. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 4 and 7. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 4. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 336 and 351. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it